Hi, I am Supam Kanchita. Now I'm going to explain my Todo Mobile application. Uh, First, you can see my virtual device. Uh, I download installing it into my virtual device. So I'm going to run this. This is my Todo Mobile application. First, when I click on the Todo, it's pop up with the logo, and then after you can see the login screen. If you have already account, you can log in using your email and password. Uh, if you have login details, you can create an account. Click on the sign up. When you click on the sign up, it shows four sections: username, password again, and email. So I have no any account. So I'm going to register mine to do that. So I enter username, password again, and email. And now click on the register button. Shows your successful registers, then pop up into the login screen. Then you can enter your uh, login details. Password. So you can click on the login button, then successfully. Then you enter the main to do task menu. In this to do task menu on the left of the top corner, you can see your user email address. Then I added some motivation text. You can see the navigation bar and the add button. When you click on the add button, you can add the task. Just add the task name. So I'm going to add the task with the book and add it. So add it. Then I want to add another one. Task. Okay. When you added the task, you can see two buttons the right side. Uh, in this tick button, when you click on the tick button, you can update or modify your task. If you already done your task, you can click the delete button. If you done or read the book, you can click the after you do that, you can click this delete button, you can delete it. And the bottom uh, below section, you can see a navigation panel. In the navigation, two buttons. And when you click this icon, it shows the your user information with your profile picture, user email, user email, username. If you want to edit this, you can click on the edit information section and you can edit. If you want to sign out, you can click on the sign out button and sign out. Okay. And another one, you have developer information. And you can see the developer images and developer information, their name, student ID, and your app version also. So I'm going to this and sign out again. Just really want to sign out. Yes, I want to sign out. Then you're going into the login screen. Okay, let's move to the our code in this project. Mainly I will Like then in my old these all icons and all assets as in the drawable file, and also all these codes have in the layout folder. In this screen all have the layout folder. Okay, uh, let's go into the our GitHub repository. This is our code GitHub repository. Uh, its name is Todo Mobile application. It's at two branches, master branch and developer branches. Uh, you can see in the to my code on the GitHub. Uh, and that's okay. And it's enough. Okay. And thank you.